This is absolutely insane. I have not been able to create content. Guys, I've taken what I've learned from this digital course that I talk to you guys about all the time, and I've actually created multiple streams of income. And it's literally blowing up right here in front of my face, right here on social media. And you guys are going to watch that journey that I go through. And I'm here to let you know I started with zero experience, zero followers. But I took action and I learned the skill. And the course provides you with step by step everything you need to know to set up the foundation to your business. But what you have to do is you have to, number one, obviously you have to start, but you have to take action and you have to be consistent and you have to just take action and learn and apply as you go. You don't have to know everything today or tomorrow, but what you have to do is take that action. And I've done that consistently. And I can't even believe, like, my phone's blowing up, my emails are blowing up with people seeking me to help them. And guys, I love helping people and I love doing this, but I'm here to let you know, if you take the action and you show up and you're consistent and you learn and you apply what you learn, you can change your life. I mean, I'm sitting here thinking I am so busy that I could quit my healthcare job and start doing this as a way to bring in money. But that is scary for me. So again, I'm going to keep that off for a little bit, but I want to let you guys know it does work. It does work. Guys, save this video, follow me. I'm showing you exactly how you can build a business online, make money online, just by taking action, using a cell phone, a laptop, and Wi-Fi, and learning a very valuable skill. And those are high income skills. Guys, make sure you check out my Stand store for everything that I have to offer you guys to help you along your journey. And let's go.